In this video, you will learn how to send an email of a quote to the customer with different statuses, including approved, declined, invoiced, draft, open, and expired. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Quotes section. Locate the quote for which you wish to send an email to the customer. For this demonstration, I'll use a quote from the Open section as an example. Click on the quote ID of your chosen quote. This will bring you to the Quote Details page. From there, click the More button and select Send Quote. The Send Quote screen will then appear. If you want to send the email to an additional contact, you can add them by clicking the plus Add Contact button. If the customer doesn't have an email address listed, you can add one by clicking the Edit Customer button. To send a blind carbon copy, BCC, you can either input the email address directly or click on the Send a Copy to Me text. The subject and message fields will already be populated with the default template. You can either edit them directly or customize them further in the email template section. To choose a different email template, click on the drop-down list and select the desired template. Click on the Cancel button to abort the process, or click on the Send button to send the email. Congratulations! You've just sent an email for a specific quote in a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.